it out, everybody. Check it out. Check it out. I got going on. I got my neck bones. Check it out. Got me some good old corn, green beans, black eyed peas going. Oh yeah, got a little meat in them. Yeah, little ham. Check that thing. Oh yeah. Got the cornbread. Gotta have the cornbread. Black eyed peas. Yeah. Oh, look at them bad boys. Show y'all how these bad boys looking. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Let them go a little bit more. Let them swing. Check it out. Yeah, that's it right there. Potatoes in that bad boy. Oh, hold on. This season right here and a little of my special season. Look at these bad boys. Look at them pork chops. Put some milk. The seasoning. Oh, yeah, look at them bad boys. See them bad boys look like a flower pot. Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. Seasoning. I love my baked pork chops. Oh yeah. Check it out. Check it. Oh yeah. Everybody know how I get down over here. Cooking up some stuff. Don't get it twisted. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You see that? Yeah. Look the big bones. Got the good cornbread. Black eyed peas. Green beans. Oh yeah. Potato in there. Alright everybody. Be safe, be safe. I'll take them boys out. Oh yeah, check it out, check it out, check it out, everybody. Neck bone got all outside smelling good out there. So yeah, God bless and peace out.